Hello good people, welcome back to my channel, to my YouTube channel. This is Bee's Kitchen, and today we are cooking pilau. Here's my beef. I've not even cut it into pieces. I'll do so after the introduction part. Here are the onions, plenty of them. I have the ginger and the garlic on this other side. This is for making what? I'll be using this one to make the salad or the coleslaw. I'll decide what to do with it. The rice is here. I'll be using pilau masala, and I'll be using the mixed spice. The good thing with the mixed spice, it has all the ingredients that I want: the nutmeg, the bay leaves, the cinnamon, the ginger powder, the cloves. So there's no need of using all other spices. When I use this, the mixed spice, it combines all that I need. Yeah, and I have my tomatoes on this side for making the kachumbari and the onions, and my cabbage on this other side is for the salad. So let's stick around as I cut my meat into pieces, and as I wash my rice, as I prepare everything, then I'll walk you through. Karibu sana. So I'll start by cooking my onions. My oil is already hot, so I'll add in my onions. There we go. And the secret behind pilau, you have to cook the onions until they're golden brown. I'll let the onion cook as long as they don't burn up. Then along the way, I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste. Yeah, to give it time. There we go. I have to cook the onions until they're golden brown. That's the main secret behind the pilau, because we want the color. Not yet. Few more minutes. You're almost getting it, so you have to keep stirring until you get the desired color that you want. There we go. I guess now this is my desired color that I want. I can add in my meat at this point. I wish the video can check the aroma in the kitchen. Too bad the aroma will just slap me and me alone. You know, like when you cook the onions to this point, they give you some nice aroma. I forgot to tell you this, I had actually pre-boiled the meat, so I won't have any hard time letting the meat cook. There we go. I'll add in my ginger garlic paste. So I can drop in my ginger garlic paste there. At this point, I'll add in my spices and my salt. This is my mixed spices, my pilau masala and salt. Here we go. Give it a good mix. Let everything cook. Oh, it smells so nice. At this point, I'm going to add in my rice. Here we go. I'm going to give it a good mix before I add in my hot water. There you go. You mix it evenly. Now from this point, I can add in my hot water. There you go. I let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we come back and see the outcome. There we go. I'll allow it to cook. So I have to cover it up and give it a few minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. On the other side, I can be steaming my cabbages and prepare my kachumbari. Let's see how our pot is doing. I'll give it a bit of stirring here and there. Just letting the onions be all over. I'll let it simmer for a couple of minutes. But it's smelling so nice. I just love the aroma in the kitchen. I'm just going to give it like 5 more minutes. I want the water to simmer up. Then we'll be back and see how it's doing. So here we're going to check. There we go, already. Oh my goodness, look at that. Looking so lovely, looking so nice, delicious, yummy. And I feel like I'm ready to dig in. Our pilau is all ready and I've put off the fire. So let me check on the other side. Here I've already prepared the kachumbari. It was just the onions, tomatoes, and lemon juice. Just 1 lemon juice was enough. On this other side, I have my cucumber. I just love it this way. When you just do it with rice, feels nice. So it's time to plate up. And on the other side, I've already steamed the cabbages, so it will be a whole plated up meal. I'll stick around and see. So it's time to plate up. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that, people. There. This will be enough for me. I guess so. On the other side, I had already steamed some cabbages. There. I'll just put a few. So I'm going to add my kachumbari. And my cucumbers here. There we go, that's enough. For the cucumbers, just take a couple of them and place them here. There's our pilau for today, all plated up. The kachumbari, the steamed cabbages, the avocado, and the cucumber on the side. Time to enjoy my meal. And then I'll tell you how the meal is tasting for today. Come on board. So it's time to dig in. Where do I even start? Oh my goodness. The meal looks so nice that I don't know even where to begin. Here we go. I take a bit of the kachumbari there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, the meal is slapping. So nice, so yummy. Let me try it with this other, the salad. Oh my goodness. It's so nice. I just love it. It's so nice. Also try even with the avocado. There we go. There we go. So nice. Look at that. The cucumber, some rice, the beef. My pilau today is so delicious. In case you want this kind of meal, I can drop you the recipe. I can even cook it for you at a cost, yeah. Keep watching. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for following. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. It's been real. That was Bee's Kitchen for you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.